Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun DIY project building a custom fidget spinner. But with a twist, we're adding LED lights. Get ready to learn how to create a cool spinner that lights up when it spins. It's a great project to show off your creativity, and it's surprisingly easy. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a few essential items. We're going to need some bearings, the heart of our spinner, which allows it to spin freely. Standard skateboard bearings work great. Next, we need the main body of the spinner. You have a couple of options here. If you have access to a 3D printer, even better. You can download a free design online. If you don't have access to one, no problem. You can get the same outcome with cardboard or plastic. You'll also need LED lights. You can buy LED lights from online stores, or even harvest them from old electronics. We'll also need a centrifugal switch. This is a small switch that closes a circuit when subjected to centrifugal force, which we'll use to turn on the LEDs. Also, grab some wires, a soldering iron, solder, glue, and a battery holder, along with a small battery. Don't forget any necessary safety equipment. Now, let's start with the spinner's body. If you're 3D printing, follow your design instructions to print the main body. If you're using cardboard, cut out the desired shape of your spinner. Make sure it's symmetrical for balance. Create holes for the bearings to fit snugly. For the LED lights, you will need to find a way to secure them on your spinner body. Next, carefully place the bearings in their respective holes. Ensure they fit well, and that they spin freely. This is crucial for smooth spinning. Let's move on to the LED lights. We'll be using a centrifugal switch to make the lights turn on when the spinner is spinning. Solder the LED leads to the switch. Then, connect the positive and negative terminals to the battery holder's leads. Make sure to insulate all your connections. Secure the centrifugal switch and LEDs inside your spinner body. Test the LED circuit. Give the spinner a flick, and see if the lights turn on. If not, check your connections and ensure everything is properly wired. The centrifugal switch is usually activated by the weight of the LED lights themselves. Now, secure everything. Once you've checked the wiring and ensured everything is working correctly, secure all the components in place using glue. Make sure the battery holder is also firmly attached, so it doesn't move when the spinner is in motion. Alright, it's time to see the magic happen. In a darkened room, spin your fidget spinner, and watch the LED lights come to life. It's mesmerizing to see the light patterns created by the spinning LEDs. This is where it all comes together. Take a long exposure photo or video, and show off the cool light trails. Your creation is now complete, and ready to impress. It's a fun and functional project that showcases your skills. Congratulations on making your very own custom LED fidget spinner.